Okay, this is a video for the unboxing thing of the underquilt as it's pissing down rain. Right, the underquilt is working. My hammock is 3 meters long and the underquilt is written down as being 2.4 meters. It's got a little tie on it, it's got a little snap hook thingy like a carabiner, like a little baby one you can hook on the end of your hammock. But you can always lengthen it because it's also got little elasticated bits. So I'm going to lengthen it at the footy end later on because at the moment it's doing the job. I mean, you can see no underquilt, 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 underquilt. So it's doing the job. It's gives me complete protection from the wind. I'm not going to know properly until tonight, probably 3 o'clock in the morning when I wake up for a piss. But it seems to be doing a pretty good job. It was 850 grams, which is a bit heavy to carry, but come winter I'm going to appreciate it. I'm walking while limping as opposed to chucking it in a car. Okay, I am not getting wet, I am not getting wet, I am not getting wet. Right, good. See, that's the uphill side of me and it's pissing down out there, but I've got oak trees protecting me. So I'm just hoping if it blows too much, I have to lower down my polytunnel plastic for a bit more protection. I mean, this side's fine, but this side I'm a little bit worried about, so I may have to lower that line, give me a bit more protection. But this is right, sunlight, first time all bloody day. So yeah, so far it seems to be doing a good job. And yeah, I was worried it wouldn't keep its shape, but yeah, it's keeping. Oh bloody hell! I grabbed hold of it through the hammock and pulled it, and I felt a draft go right through my lower back. It's gone. There's no more draft. But as I pulled it, it must have let the wind through. Yeah, it's doing a really good job because there's no wind getting through it when I'm lying on it. But it is pulled tight because I think it's because it's a 2.4 and it's a 3 meter hammock. So what I'm going to have to do, once I lengthen it at that end, it should be a better fit because I don't want the underquilt taking the strain. I want it just to be hanging there. So, but yeah, so far underquilt doing a good job. Now I need some booze. Okie dokie, I have underquilt, underquilt, and the underquilt. So what I've done is I just lengthened that by cot length, like 9 inches. So that way I'm not putting too much strain on it when I'm in the hammock. And yeah, not a bad little setup. Doesn't look brilliant, but it does the bloody job. My only real concern is, see, that side's fine, it's tied to that dead log I always use. That one is a bit too mobile, so what I might have to do is get some heavier logs just to keep it in place, because it does start fucking bugs coming out again. What I might have to do is do that fire again, just burn a bit of paper, chuck on some twigs, just to help get rid of the bugs. So yeah, me lying down and chilling out doesn't really work. My brain is still on civilization, which means sitting down, it takes me an hour just to unwind to be able to sit down. But I'm doing the essentials. Laundry is hung up to dry. The t-shirt, the jacket's going up in a minute. I had to put it back on because I'm starting to shiver. But yeah, I mean, yeah, so there's little tweaks you can do to make it a bit more homely and whatever. Push that through there. I mean, things like clothes pegs would be handy. It's the sort of thing you're tempted to go and get some and just leave them in a tree. Like, oh look, there's an oven rack. Actually, sod the fire. See if I can crash out for a bit. It is getting the wind is getting really, really horrendous. Alright, fine, go for the view, have a quick look. But yeah. I'm not going to be happy until I get something else on those logs to keep that side down. The rest of it's fine, it's tied off. It's just literally just tied around itself. Yeah, stuff like plastic, if you fold it over and then just tie around there. You don't need eye loops and all that kind of funky stuff. Right, look at the view, shall we? We can't get buggered by sheep. That'd be ironic.